Okay, what are we gonna do today? Well, we're gonna go to an island in Bangkok. Yeah, okay, now the first step is take the MRT Purple Line from Klong Bang Pai. We're gonna go a couple of stations down, and when we get there, I'll let you know what's going on. Oh yeah, and also, if you're not coming along with me on this trip, there's only one excuse for it. And that's because you're laying on the couch, binge watching Autumn and Asia. Well, there you go, huh? Good excuse not to come with me then, right? Okay, you go through the metal detector. I've got my green card. Go ahead and put it right here. It'll open up for you. It's easy as that, as long as you got your green card for. And we're going to go about 2 or 3 stations down, and then we got something else we're going to have to take to get to that island in Bangkok. Okay, then we hop in a taxi for about 7 or 8 miles, heading north up to the island. Well, I guess there is an island out here. Okay, now this is the temple that you have to walk through to get to the ferry landing to go over to Kret. And Kret is about 3 kilometers by 3 kilometers, kind of small, but it has 7 different neighborhoods on it. We're going to go riding our bike through a couple of them, and hopefully we don't run into many more of these guys, you know. Whoa, no! Well, okay, I'll be darned. There's the island. Now we're going to get on over there as soon as that ferry there. Come on over here to pick us up. But what a backdrop. Big, huge buildings in this sleepy town. It saw me. It's coming over. It's going to pick us up. Now, one of my many duties I had in the Navy was I was a boat coxswain also, and I always like watching other boat coxswains do these maneuvers. And he does a really good one. Kisses them tires really good too. There you go. Shaking around or nothing. This is quite interesting. I don't know how old it is. I wished I did. But it's kind of settling into the Chao Phraya River. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh. Well, you'd never imagine a quarter of a mile away you got the hustle and bustle of the big city, and it's just so quiet and peaceful out here. No cars, no taxis. They got a couple of motorcycles, bicycles, pedestrians, and someone coming behind me beeping. Oh, motorcycle taxi. A dog. Hello, dog. Hello, other dog. I'll just keep on filming here, and maybe I can get something going on. Actually, I'm going to stop. This is kind of the same-ish until I find something cool. Whoa! I bet you that looked really cool on the screen, huh? Yeah. I'm going fast. And another one. Whoa, we're like really leaning over, man. It's a very beautiful traditional house. I don't know what tradition, probably the Mon. I really like this kind of setup where you have the house up, but you still have so much underneath. Here, let me get you a different view of it. Very nice. Now, I did not see this temple when we were coming in off the freeway or off the bridge or anything, but that sure is a big one. Oh, I just had to stop here for a minute. Oh, too much coffee. Oh, come on now. I had you. That's a nice little water garden there. I don't know if it's like got, you know, flowers or whatever in the spring, but there is a nice place right behind it that has lots of places underneath the trees where you can sit and you know, have lunch with your friends or just relax and just chill. But yeah, very, very beautiful. I enjoyed it. I bet you on Saturday or Sunday, this place is pretty busy. But and even with the COVID, I bet you a lot of locals come here. It's all written mostly in Thai, so I really don't know where to go except forward. Time for a little bit of a coffee break here. I just happened to see this little convenience store. No, it's not a 7-Eleven, so you can't count it. But these are the roads. Motorcycle. I wanted to get the big bike. Let's see, that seat goes up to about right there. You know how hard that would be to pedal? Well, it looks like you could buy many, many things here to bless your house or the temple. I'm sure you can hear all the wind chimes. It's very, very peaceful. This is really cool. I'm so glad I came here. And I'm so glad you guys came with me. Otherwise, I'd be all alone. Okay, I'm going to stay right in the middle of this because I know there's like a 2x6 right underneath there. But off to the sides, right, very bouncy even right here. Yeah, it's safe. That was a coffee shop and they had a homestay there. I was wondering how much they were running for the homestay. I couldn't find anything, and everything was written in Thai. But I have read that before coming here. I knew it was an island. I was just joking with you guys earlier, but yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a dead end. But I wanted to go down it anyways. It looks just like very beautiful residential. Very, very beautiful. Show off. I just thought I'd take this camera off of the handlebars so I can show you around a little bit. Very simple houses over the water. Well, I'm about halfway around the island now on that bike over there. I mean, it's a lovely bike, but I wouldn't call it dreamy. If you know, you know. Yeah. This kid even says, yeah, I wouldn't either. But I'm going to go ahead and retire old Putt-Putt over there. And once I get around the other, at the beginning, bring the bike back. Now I'm going to do a little bit of walking around because it's still early and it's a beautiful island. There's some tourist areas and some residential areas, and I did decide to come during the week because I was told during the weekends it's pretty packed here. I just wanted to relax, which is I'm doing. Although that bike, says, yeah, they had like three different sizes. Give me the big one. I mean, hey, I'm almost 6 foot tall. Give me the big one. Should have known. Yeah, the average Thai is like 6 inches shorter than me. I don't know. I really don't know what it is, but yeah, it really didn't pedal out all that well. But that's okay. Well, we're almost around the island now, but just take a look at that beauty. This was really nice. Although, if you were to run off of the sidewalk there, it'd definitely ruin your day, and your phone and your camera. Yeah. And anything else that you had electronic in your backpack or whatever, but I didn't. I'm safe. I'm grateful. Okay, that was a pretty quick jaunt around the island, 6 kilometers. So, I mean, it wasn't all that bad. I mean, walking 6 kilometers, nothing, but that bike was brutal. It was a pain in the butt, really. You couldn't get the seat to stay up, and about like every other third speed bump that you'd hit, little small speed bump, it would go all the way back down and crush into my, and basically give me ground coffee beans. That's not what that's not what I came for. Why am I saying this? We got to take this over. Okay, wait, now, which way do I go? Let me take a look at my compass and we'll figure this out. Oh, yeah, go that way. Okay, I'm getting really low on all kinds of batteries, and I don't know if you can even hear me, but my batteries are dead. My microphone's dead. I'm dead. Talk to you later. Now, I was not kidding you when I said when you cross the sidewalk also, you gotta look both ways, or if you do a quick oblique, because that's why. No, that's not Bangkok. That's just the downtown of one of their suburbs. This is a little bit more of downtown. A lot of those buildings you see are nothing but condos. There's a friggin' huge one right there. Yeah, that's just crazy. I'd like to go in and check it out.